Hey guys, welcome back to another video by Sendwin, and in today's video we're going to be talking in detail about how to use the Sendwin extension. You should have definitely got it installed by now. So in today's video we'll talk about how to use Sendwin in an incognito mode, right? So you should be using it in the normal mode now. In today's video we'll talk about how to use it in the incognito mode, right? Because incognito mode allows you private browsing, as you should be aware of it. So definitely we'll go ahead how to leverage the power of Sendwin in an incognito tab, right? So at first, to use any extension, be it on Chrome, on Mozilla, or on Microsoft Edge, in all those three platforms we have got our extension working, so you can freely use Sendwin on any of those three browsers. So for this tutorial we're gonna be using Chrome, okay, because since it's the most widely used browser. So at first, to use any extension, right, so first you need to enable it for the incognito mode, right? So you can do that via you can just click on this extension icon that you see on the top, and then just go to manage extensions. It should be the last option, and then you should definitely see Sendwin somewhere, okay, right? And then click on details, and once you click on details, now just scroll below and you should see allow in incognito. Okay, this is the main option that you need to enable in order to access Sendwin in an incognito mode. Right now, simply press Control Shift and N, which is the shortcut key for the incognito tab, and an incognito tab should open up. And once the incognito tab has opened up, you can see the Sendwin icon, which should by default you shouldn't see this if you haven't enabled the option that I just showed you. Okay, so once it's enabled, right, it's enabled, so you can basically use Sendwin. Your Sendwin page is already logged in. By the way, you cannot just what it just means is that you cannot create sessions here. Okay, it's just because in incognito tabs you don't have cookies saved, right? You don't have any of your info saved when you're browsing in an incognito tab. Therefore you cannot actually create sessions while you're in the incognito tab, but you can definitely browse all the sessions that you created, all right, when you're browsing your normal profile, right? So you can go ahead, click on Instagram one. You can see it is already logged in, right? You don't have to worry about logging in back, so you can basically have all those profiles loaded, okay, in the same in the same logged in variant, right? You can see here is one profile, and the second you have, this is another profile. So both of them are two different profiles that I can access in the incognito mode. Is just because of Sendwin, right? Even when you're accessing the incognito tab, you don't have to enter your credentials every time. What you can do, just save your sessions in Sendwin, and then you can access them in your incognito mode, and perhaps promote safe browsing. So that's the sole motto of Sendwin, okay, to promote a safe browsing and basically help you to be more secure while you're browsing the internet, right? So I hope this video has helped you to gain insights on how to use this great extension in an incognito mode. If it did help, then do make sure to let us know by hitting the like button, subscribe to the channel, okay, if you haven't already, and go ahead, install Sendwin. It's totally free. Perhaps it's got multiple utilities, right? So this was it for today's video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care and bye bye.